Round the corner, not far away, Bing and you are baking today. Hello, Bing. Up.
I love baking.
Yep, I love baking too, Bing. Hup, there we go. Here, try out different things and see what you can do. The more you roll, the thinner it gets.
Oh no! Oh, it's all broken.
Yep, it's broken. Have another try. I'll just pop it on the tray.
Oh, this is my favourite bit. There we go. You press down.
That's lovely. You did it.
All ready for baking.
Indeed. I'll put these into the oven. Chicky Timer will tell us when they're ready. Can you keep an eye on the oven? Tap me when you know they're done.
And tell us when they're finished, Chicky Timer.
Give me a tap when you hear Chicky Timer. I'll get them out. Oops! Stand back from the hot, burny oven.
Can we see them? Look what we did.
They do look good. They're still a bit hot. I'll just pop them onto this rack to cool down. Now they're ready for you to decorate. Hello.
One there, and one there, one there, and one there.
That's lovely.
We can make shapes.
What things can you draw? What funny shapes can you make?
Yay! I can't wait. Look, look, look. Eat them up.
Oh!